Alright folks, I just got back from Dixie Speedway. It was a good show. Scott Hartsock and Gunslinger won racing. Jim Koehler would have won freestyle. What am I saying? He would have won racing, but he spun out in the corner. But he won freestyle. Scarlet Bandit was not there. Razin Kane was. So, and here's my love for supporting Team Scream. Brutus, Chris Bergeron, Rich Higgindoff, and Spike. Wrecking Crew, Steve Koehler, right there. An Avenger right there, Jim Koehler. Avenger. Can't see that good, but you can see that one. And I got all Team Scream to sign this. Instead of making a poster, I made a poster out of me. And here it is. Rich Higgindoff and Spike. Chris Bergeron, Brutus. Mr. Excitement, Jim Koehler, and Avenger. Steve Koehler and Wrecking Crew. Darren McGueeze and Bounty Hunter. Scott Hartsock and Gunslinger. Scarlet Bandit wasn't there, but I'll show you what I made. And that's my t-shirt. Peace.